Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you're new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Today I will be grilling some wings and it's gonna be two flavors. One is gonna be lemon pepper flavor and the other one will be jerk curry. So let's check out the ingredients for this recipe. I have some lemon pepper seasoning, some seasoning salt, some apple cider vinegar as well as some white distilled vinegar, some paprika, some jerk curry seasoning, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some Tony Cheshire Creole seasoning, some mild curry powder. This is optional, sea salt, or you can use the seasoning salt. I have 2 pounds of wings that I have separated into 2 different bowls and that I am soaking in some vinegar and water solution. I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes, then rinse the vinegar off of the chicken. Next, I'm adding some apple cider vinegar just to remove the meat smell. Then I'm going to rinse it with some cool running water. I'm starting off by covering the wings with the Tony Cheshire Creole dry seasoning. I'm doing the same with the onion powder. I'm covering the chicken with some garlic powder. I'm lightly covering the wings with both curry powders. I'm doing the same with some seasoned salt. I'm rubbing all the seasonings onto each and every wing, and I'm making sure to wear gloves because curry does stain. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever used jerk curry powder or the regular curry powder and what brand have you used. I'm mixing in 3 garlic cloves grated, and you can also crush the garlic. I just love garlic. Let me know in the comments below if you use garlic in your dishes. For my larger bowl, I'm starting off with the Tony Cheshire dry seasoning. I'm covering the wings with some onion and garlic powder. Next, I'm covering my wings with some lemon pepper seasoning since these wings are going to be my lemon and pepper wings. I'm doing the same with my paprika. For this bowl, I'm going to grate 5 garlic cloves since there's more chicken in this bowl. I'm using a clean pair of gloves to rub the seasoning onto the wings. This is optional, but you can always add extra seasoning on the wings. I'm using the tip of my knife to add a few slits to my wings so that they can better infuse the flavor. I'm rubbing on some extra lemon pepper seasoning. I want these sets of wings to have a zing to it. Don't be scared to get your hands in there, y'all. So I'm going to let the wings sit and marinate and infuse all the beautiful flavors. While the chicken is marinating, I'm going to fire up my smoking grill. I am loving this charcoal. I switched from my previous charcoal to this one. So I'm waiting for the grill to get to ideal or hot. My smoker definitely needs a makeover, but it is still a very good smoking grill. So the chicken is fully marinated. I added the first batch to the grill, which is the lemon pepper flavor. Then the second batch is the curry chicken. Check out that color, y'all. I'm flipping them to have the same color on the other side. Let me know in the comments below what kind of grill do you use whenever you grill or barbecue. Excuse the shaking, I'm trying to hold the camera with one hand and flip the chicken with the other. I will include in the description below the brand of charcoal that I use. The wings are finally ready and it smells like a barbecue joint in here. This is my first time making jerk curry wings and they came out perfect. Y'all know I already had my taste test and it tastes so good. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.